All right, here is our phonics lesson number 38. Say blend. Drop nd. What's left? Bleh. Say blonde. Drop nd. What's left? Blah. Say grand. Drop nd. What's left? Gra. Say stand. Drop nd. What's left? Sta. Say spend. Drop nd. What's left? Spe. Say grind. Drop nd. What's left? Gry. Good job. Here we go. Let's read our phonics sentence. Ready? The pencil cost 10 cents. She rode her bicycle. So we have a lot of things. We have 3 patterns today. We have a C when it's followed with an I. We'll have a S sound, a S sound. When C is followed by an E, it also takes on that S sound and has a S sound. And when C is followed by a Y, it also has a S sound. So CI says sigh, CE says se, and CY says sigh. All right, let's go practice our sounds. Here we go. And we're not going to say the E portion. We're just going to say what the C says when it has an E after it. S, s, s. Here we go. Ah, dull, ah. You and you. S, oi, tull, e, ah, I, s, bull, oi, gull, ah, pull, s, ow. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and read some of our words. Oh, first we're going to practice that C sound. So remember, when a C has an E, it has a S sound. When it's followed by an I, it has a S sound. And when it's followed by a Y, it also has a S sound. But if a C has an A after it, it has a K. If it has an O after it, it has a K. And if it has a U after it, it says K. So let's practice these. Ready? S, ent, scent. K, at, cat. S, itty, city. K, ost, cost. F, ancy, fancy. K, ups, cups. Good job. Let's practice. Ready? Look, sound, ace, read, race. Look, sound, mercy, read, mercy. Look, sound, us, read, circus. Look, sound, on, read, drawn. Look, sound, ing, read, sticking. Look, sound, alt, read, fault. Look, sound. Per ice, read price. Look, sound. Ice, read ice. Look, read. Look, sound. I-C, read icy. Look, sound. Faith, read faith. Look, sound. Camping, read camping. Look, sound. Ace, read ace. Look, sound. Caused, read caused. Sound. Caused, read caused. Look, sound. Club, read club. Look, sound. Rice, read rice. Look, sound. Pencil, read pencil. Look, sound. Drown, read drown. Look, sound. Hawk, read hawk. Look, sound. Dream, read dream. Look, sound. Coded, read coded. Look, sound. Braces, read braces. Look, sound. Paused, read paused. All right, here are our syllables. All right, so our first word is discuss. So let's snap it. Discuss. I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I would split it in between the S and the C, those two consonants. All right, let's snap it. This word is unsafe. Unsafe. Think about where you need to split it. Let's see if you're right. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I would split it between the N and the S. Here we go. The word is peppermint. Peppermint. That's 3. So I'm going to look. Let's see where we're going to do it. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I would split my first one here. And then I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I would split it between the M and the R. So peppermint. All right, this word is whisper. Snap it. Whisper. Think about where you're going to split it. I see a vowel, a consonant, a vowel. I would split it between the S and the P. This word is garden. Snap it. Garden. I see a vowel, a consonant, consonant, vowel. I split it between the two consonants. Excellent. Let's go ahead and write some words. Number 1. Let's write stick. S, t, I, k. And remember, a k at the end is a C and a K together. Number 2. Ice. I, s. But I know that when there's a silent E at the end, I can put a C and an E for ice, not an S. Number 3. Clap. Cl, a, p. Clap. Number 4. Sleep. E. This one is going to be E, says E, sleep. Excellent job today.